Hello everyone, this is King Kong Home Automation training lesson. In this video, I will show you how to detect your house network connection, such as Wi-Fi connection, Ethernet connection, and 4G connection. And also we can detect the internet state because this can use by IFTTT command and for the automation, such as if your controller, the network is disconnected, so that you can send a notification to your mobile phone by short message. Or if your internet is broken, no internet, so that can send a short message to your mobile phone. So in this video, I will show you the IFTTT command for this automation and for turn on relay for demo. Okay, let's look at this is our AIO hybrid board, and this is my load. So in this video, I will show you how to detect the internet state and how to detect the internet and to turn on and turn off relay. And also, if you want to send the short message by notification, you can add this King Kong G1 4G controller, so that if no internet or no network, that can send the short message to your mobile phone. And this time, I just show you the video for the demo, just turn on and turn off this relay. And you can see this is AI hybrid, and this is a load for internet. And at the back, you can see this have a WAN for internet. This is one line for internet, for my internet cable. And this one, that have 4-channel Ethernet output. This cable have connect my AIO hybrid, my compute. This is my compute. Also have connected this load by Wi-Fi because I want to configure this AIO hybrid. Later, I will show you disconnect the Ethernet cable and disconnect this internet cable for detect for IFTTT command. Okay, let's look at my compute. And we can create an IFTTT command in this KCS firmware. You can see press IFTTT and add this new IFTTT command. And this time we can detect Ethernet state. Enable this one, and you can see this if condition. The new version have a net icon, so you can click, and you will see the network type that have Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and 4G. The principle is the same, so I will show you how to detect the Ethernet. If the Ethernet is connected or disconnected or no internet, so this can select for the triangle type. And now the first we can test the disconnect. So apply, and if the Ethernet disconnected, well, I can turn on relay 1. And also you can add this 4G model to show the short message to your mobile phone. I use a demo, just turn on relay 1. You can see turn on relay 1, apply, and press save and return. And you can see the Ethernet state IFTTT command is created. Now I will test it. And now you can see, look at my load. And this is the Ethernet cable. You can see I can disconnect the Ethernet cable. And you can see the relay is on. So this automation is running immediately. It's very fast. That is have disconnect. Okay. Now I will connect again, and let's test another if condition. Okay, this we can turn off the relay 1. We can turn off it, and let's create the second IFTTT command. Next, you can see I can detect Ethernet, internet detect, internet, no internet. Okay, enable, and this time I can click net and choose the Ethernet, and this triangle type is no internet because my house, if the load is no internet, I want to know immediately, so that can it's used for automation. So apply, and this time I can turn on relay 2 for tell people is no internet. And also you can replace for your short message or voice call by Forge module, and press save and press OK. And now you can see I can click return that have created the new IFTTT command no internet. Okay, let's test it. And now you can see I can also disconnect my cable, but this time I'm not disconnect this cable, and this is WLAN cable. So you can see I can remove this cable. And let's look at, just wait for a moment, because the internet detector need time. It have disconnect. And this is the yellow, you can see internet. The internet cable I have disconnected. Just wait for a moment. Okay, now you can see the relay 2 is on. So this have detect the internet is disconnect, internet load maybe is broken. So this can be trigger. And if you can also add this Forge module to send the notification by short message or by voice call. So this can detect your house load, whether have internet or whether have disconnect the cable by Wi-Fi or by Ethernet. Okay, so you can see this is a useful home automation trigger type. Just detect the network and detect the internet. You can make sure your house always have internet, and when the internet is broken, so that can send a notification to your mobile phone immediately. Okay, if you have any questions, you can leave a message to us. Thanks for watching.